Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to share with you the 10th day of 12 days of Christmas. This is a gift exchange that my planner friend and I are doing with each other. Cam from Piece of the Plans, please check her out. I have her link down below. We decided to shop our stash and gift each other either gently used items or items that we haven't used yet that we have and that we feel we would appreciate. So in addition to that, we put in a few brand new goodies in our gift exchange as well. So 12 gifts for the 12 days leading up to Christmas. And so this is day 10. I'm going to go ahead and open up this gift bag. It has like different little gifts in here. So this is going to be fun. So bear with me here. Let's go ahead and take these out. Everything is wrapped so pretty, isn't it? Even has the little bells on there. And she put my name on each gift too. It's so cute. Oh, look at this. Jingle all the way. I could save these and put them in my my journals. This is cute too. I'll save that as well. Okay. Which one should we start with? Any, mini, money, mo. Let's see. Let's start with this one. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. This is like a scrapbook photo album, but it's also paper, so you can, you know, probably like write. Okay, you guys know I just got my passport earlier this year, and it's probably one of my somewhat of a disappointment that I'm not able to travel, but I'm blessed because I'm safe. I'm at home with my family, but finally got my passport. It's been like on my wish list for years, and I finally went through the process of getting it done. So one of the things that I look forward to is being able to travel, and this will be so cute to add pictures to, and it has like spacing where you can excuse me, write in. It has these little clips in here where you can stick your different pictures in. So that's really cute. I love this, Cam. Thank you. I've never seen one of these before. That's cute. Love it. Very pretty. Whoa. I love it. Oh, I love it. I remember when she did a video on this, and she talked about how she got the books and then went to like a copying store, and they were able to take off the hard binding and add these spirals to them. I love it. Thank you. Love it. And I have a Shannon Noel's book, and I don't think I have this one, Bible Promises. So I'm gonna look forward to using that. Thank you, thank you. Ooh. Cam, I don't have this one. I love it. And I've been meaning to get this one too. Um, I have done Bible studies on my channel before from the Daily Grace Company, and Ruth is one that I meant to get a while back, but never got. So I'm gonna look forward to this. Thank you, Cam. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love doing Bible studies. Okay. Oh, oh! What? What? Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's the name of my channel. Be You Beautiful One. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, it goes. I love it. It's like a what do you call that? A desk it's something I could put on my desk, and it has the name of my channel. I love it, Cam. Or I could sit it in my bookcase. Let me see if I could put a piece of paper down. So this is what it looks like, just in case you can't see it, but it's clear glass and it has, Cam, I love this. OMG. This is beautiful. I'm so excited about this, Cam. If you guys did not check out Cam's video, I believe a couple of days ago, for the gift exchange that I gave to her, in addition to the gift that I gave to her, she did a flip through of this book on her channel. And so I'm just going to quickly flip through this because I was like, that book is so cute. I love it. So this is from Live, Love, Posh. And she is a fellow planner babe who has started her own sticker book collection. I believe this is her second or third book. I want to say third, but everything is always sold out. She did a reorder of this one. And so I believe she may still have some in stock. I don't know. I know she did like a reorder of them, but if you like the books, you may want to go ahead and grab one while you can. But it was just known for her flower stickers. So, okay, this is beautiful. They're like watercolors almost. And these are like corner stickers. And I love that she's a planner babe because she's able to make stickers with us in mind. This is a huge corner sticker. Look at that. It's nice. Very nice. Okay. Love it. So she gives you different sizes. And this would be great like for memory keeping, journaling as well. But you have ample flowers. And what I love, I remember when I was watching Cam's video, she gives you multiple sheets of the stickers. So of the sticker design, like this one. There's 2 sheets of that. So you feel like you could use, you know, it and not have to hoard your stickers. We don't want to do that anyways. I'm trying to get like my planner friend Cam, who says she don't hold on to stickers. Well, I do. And I'm trying to get better. Cam is helping me. She is always saying that I don't hold on my stickers. So I use all of my stickers. So I'm trying to be like Cam. So I love this, that she gives you like the larger stickers in deco, but then it's sort of like a smaller scale version of that on this page. That's really pretty. And I love that she gives you multiple sheets. This is gorgeous. A lot of pinks and blues. I cannot wait to use all of these. And here are some succulents. I wonder why they're called that. I'm gonna have to look that up. But these are gorgeous. I love the color payoff of the sticker butts. So that's pretty. This is gorgeous. It's like watercolor flowers. And then you have your black and white flowers, which I love. And you can even doodle or color these in if you wanted to. Because these are all on paper backing. This is what I'm excited about. These ornaments are so cute. Oh, they're gorgeous. So I probably will be doing some holiday spreads after Christmas. Because yeah, because I have a lot of holiday stickers this year, and this is adding to them. So I love it. Love this color palette. Here's Hello 21. Can you believe we only have like, when you see this video, we'll have about a week left, about 8 days left, I believe. I can't remember. But New Year's is next week. I know that much. Friday. It's next Friday, right? Yeah. I love this page. Oh, look at this one. Eat healthier. The peppers. That red is awesome. And the green too. Spend more time with family, like playing games. Self-made. Turn your hobby into a career. I'm trying. Lose weight. I'm trying. Drink more water. Why is she talking about me? Spend less time on your phone. Become more social. I love that sticker. It's so cute with the stilettos. Read more. Pay off debt. Yes. Learn a new hobby. Shop the sales. Save more money. Learn to bake. Sleep more. Word of the year. Love that. Then you got your Valentine's Day stickers. These are cute. Valentine's party. Love these flowers. They're pretty. Very pretty. You get 2 pages of those. Then you have your bill due, clean bedroom, post office, plan for the week, Sunday brunch. Look at the waffles with the whipped cream, and that looks like blueberries possibly. Netflix and chill, yard work and garden getaway for the weekend. Prescription refill, happy birthday. Clean and dust, yes. Date night, love that lingerie sticker there. Movie night, dinner plans, coffee break, that's cute. Coffee break, dentist appointment, love the lips with the teeth for dentist appointment, doctor's appointment, important reminder, workout, work it girl. Spa day, love the mask, lady time. For that special time of the month, I guess. Lady time. Organized closet. Love the clothes rack there for that. That's cute. Payday. A pocketbook full of money. That's what I'm talking about. I need my purse to be filled up with cash money. Okay. Organized office. Shopping reminder. Trash. And grocery shopping. So that's that book there. I love that. Thank you, Cam. You are just so sweet. You really are. So here's my day 10 gift. This is awesome. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Cam. I will be putting everything to good use. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for a piece of the plans. I have Kim's YouTube channel linked down below. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for my channel, Be You Beautiful One. Thank you so much for joining us for the 12 days of Christmas. This is a gift exchange for planner friends, and I'm truly excited to find out what's in store for tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. God bless. See you tomorrow.